All right, well, let's go ahead and talk temperatures because this will brighten your day. We have temperatures right now on a mild note as kids are heading out to the bus stop. You're getting ready for work, either side of 60. But here's the little caveat. We're not getting a whole lot warmer as we head into the afternoon. We are tracking a cold front, so we'll break down the details right now for you. Right now, we have southwesterly winds about 5 to 15 miles per hour, paired with cloud cover from an upper level disturbance that we had that brought a little bit of rain throughout the overnight. We're looking at warm temperatures at the surface. However, winds of change are coming literally. So temperature change right now, we're anywhere from 10 to almost 20 degrees warmer across all of our southeastern cities compared to this point yesterday morning. So it's a noticeable warm up. But sunrise will be at 7:56, sunset at 6:38. And as we look at the rest of your forecast, we'll have some clouds mixing in and the winds are going to be shifting from the southwest to the west northwest. And that brings in cooler air from the north. So we hit our high of 67, probably closer to about noon. And then we'll be sliding in temperatures as that cooler air works its way in throughout the afternoon. Wind gusts will be picking up as temperatures start to dial down, but we'll have wind gusts anywhere between about 25 to 30 miles per hour, especially as we get into the early afternoon hours in the wake of this passing front. We'll time it out for you. You can see how we've drawn the cold front here on the map. That's going to sink down to the southeast. So as we stop the clock at 10 a.m., most of that front is now just east of us, brushing the eastern communities and pushing into Ontario. Winds at that point, you can see the direction here coming out of the west. But as we progress throughout the afternoon, they tilt, and that's going to come out of the north. And you see with that color contour there, that cooler air mass that starts to build in. And we'll still have breezy conditions, at least for the first part of the evening before winds die down throughout the overnight. So we're looking at a 7 o'clock tip-off over at LCA. If you're heading out to the Pistons game tonight, just note that it's going to be a little bit cooler, especially as you're leaving LCA. We're going to be maybe around 50, if not upper 40s by game's end, so you want to have those extra layers. Tonight, though, we tumble to 36 degrees for the overnight low. That's what you're waking up to tomorrow morning compared to the 60-degree temperatures we have right now. So little weather whiplash by tomorrow, huge difference, mostly clear skies. And then the winds really will lighten up tomorrow. Light and variable winds, but seasonal. So there's your reality check, a high of 58, but at least it'll be paired with some sunshine. As we track our next rain chance, that's going to arrive heading into Friday. Heaviest rain will fall into Chicago, Milwaukee, and kind of lighten up as it heads our way. Onset of that late morning, midday, around the lunch hour, we get some rain. But the clearing line, which is important for your Friday evening at 7, that's east of the city. And so we should be drying out just in time for high school football. Local 4 game of the week will be Belleville taking on Howell. And we have a chance for rain into the earlier part of the evening. But by the time we get to kickoff, we're mostly cloudy, clearing skies throughout the game. We're falling from upper 50s to low 50s. Speaking of upper 50s, that's what you have on tap for tailgating if you're heading out to the Michigan versus Michigan State game. Ann Arbor, 7:30 kickoff, so plan for 40s by game's end. It'll be a cool tailgate for the Lions fans. Highs in the 50s on Sunday as well, but rebounding to the 60s and 70s as we head into early next week.